What's going on, guys? It's JC Tech and Finance here. A lot of people have complained about the base model of the MacBook Air M2, but today I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you might want to buy and 1 reason why you might want to reconsider right after this. Welcome back. Now let's get started. Now here are 7 reasons why, not in any particular order. 1. You want an extremely lightweight computer that doesn't necessarily sacrifice power. The new MacBook is 0.1 grams lighter than the model that it replaces. 2. The screen is a liquid retina display that has up to 500 nits of brightness. This makes it great for use indoors or outdoors in bright environments, and is 13.6 inches in size, which is like the perfectly sized laptop. 3. You do a lot of Zoom calls and you want a device that already has a decent camera. The MacBook Air M2 comes with a 1080 FaceTime HD camera with twice the resolution and low light performance of the last generation. The next reason is that you want a laptop that makes no noise. Some people get annoyed with the fan noise generated by MacBooks with fans. The MacBook Air M2 has a fanless design. For the majority of tasks that average people do, the CPU is not going to throttle. Of course, if you have a lot of Chrome tabs open, the laptop may get warm or hot to the touch. You want a laptop with a decent audio system that allows you to play back any movie on the go. The MacBook Air M2 has a 4-speaker sound system between the keyboard and the display that allows for Dolby Atmos playback and spatial audio. It comes with Apple's latest chip. It has 4 performance cores, 4 efficiency cores, and 8 or 10 GPU cores, with a dedicated media engine for hardware-accelerated ProRes and ProRes RAW video encode and decode. You will have no issues doing Zoom, checking emails, doing word processing, or using it for Excel. The next reason why you might want to buy this laptop, you want a laptop with Apple's latest design language that started with the MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch without spending a lot of money. The M2 model introduced uniform thickness and a flat top with rounded bottom edges to the MacBook Air line, and for those people who like a good-looking laptop, they won't be disappointed with this. Now, there are always going to be reasons why you might not want to buy. One reason to not buy this base model is that you should be aware that the base model comes with 1 stick of 256 gigabytes of storage rather than 2 sticks of 128 gigabytes of storage, which in some cases results in worse performance than the M1 chip in situations such as exporting large files. This is due to the M1 using 2 sticks for storage. People need to keep in mind that the MacBook Air is Apple's base laptop, but is still leagues ahead of what the MacBook used to be capable of when it used an Intel processor. The people who do video editing should not be buying any MacBook Air, whether it has 8 gigabytes of RAM or 24 gigabytes of RAM, or 256 gigabytes of storage or 1 terabyte of storage. With a $1,199 base price, if you're considering additional RAM or hard drive space, then you should buy the 14.1-inch MacBook Pro, as it has often been on sale for $1,749, $1,700, or $1,800, compared with its starting price of $2,000. If you like this video and want to keep up with the latest reviews, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing off.